All right, we always look for some impromptu opportunities to teach you, and as we're walking from the lawn mowing experience, we came across Jay doing some cast netting. Now, Jay lives here on site at the college, and under the COVID-19 laws, people are allowed to go out and fish. So as long as you're going out to catch fish for consumption, it's okay. So I was really impressed in Jay's first throw, so we're going to throw over to Jay just to show the skills. I'll get out of the way so you don't hit me. So here we go. When you're ready, Jay, just show us your style. Sensational. So boys, no matter where you are, if you've got an opportunity, if you're a fisherman, you can take some time out in the backyard to practice your cast netting, and obviously utilise that if you intend at some point to go fishing. So well done, Jay. Excellent, mate. So Jay, you know, for somebody who can't cast, that was fantastic. But when was the last time you threw a net?
About a week ago.
You get anything? Or?
Yeah, I got a mullet about this big in the cast net, a couple prawns.
You're kidding.
Yeah, we brought them home and we cooked them up and all that, and they were real good.
Mate, you're going to have to teach me how to do that. It'll take you a while, but that was fantastic. So well done, mate.
Thanks.